Hello, my name is Jeremy, and I do SEO to help local companies get up to the top of Google. And I wanted to offer a few tips to help you rank better. Right now, you're at the top of page 5, and earlier you were at the middle of page 4. So something happened to someone else's site that caused your site to get ranked down. So I put your link into this SEO scanner, and this is your title tag. This is the this is what people will click on if they search up North Coast Roofing. That alone right there will put you at the top of if they're searching up that keyword alone. And this is your meta description. This is pretty much the short version of what your site is about, and that's what Google's looking for. Google's looking for the end user experience. That way they know what to look for when they're searching up that keyword alone. This is your header tags, and you got one. And this is your H2, you have none. Just these two small things can make a big difference on whether you rank on page 3 or page 5. Just these two things alone. There's more other things on the back end, but those are just one of the two things that can help you rank better. I mean, what happens if I refresh it? It's still on page 5. But your site looks pretty good for the most part.